wanted to show with this slide, there are payment innovations. They exist. We heard a lot about theory and what should do, what is the technology infrastructure, what is the background, a lot of complexity. But I just wanted to show that's how I see the things, that they exist and what they are doing and how they are doing. So what is joint for all these payment methods? Is it speed? Not sure. Is it challenges? For sure. Challenges all over the place, all over the spot. So can we say that our fintech startups, bank partners, payment network partnerships? Maybe. Payment infrastructure, very important rail for all innovations. Yeah. Now banks, not so sure. So what is joint? Actually, they are intended to solve certain problems identified in customer experience or in payment, or in banking, or in lending. They are innovative, but when I say innovative, they are not innovative per se, meaning that they are inventing the hot wheel, the new wheel and the hot water. Maybe they are inventing just small part of some process. So this can be also innovation. Then are they alternative payment methods? Most of them, yes. Are they expanding further? Yes, they want to expand further, and the plans are. You will see maybe for some methods it's not, it's just locally relevant. And then are they in connection with the banks? Yes, because we also discussed last night on the dinner, the banks are ultimate lender, and then this in this equation make a fold for a lot of companies, fintechs, who would like to enter the field. But then in the most of the countries you need to have license to lend the money, and you don't have the license. So what is buy now, pay later? Is it lending company or retail, or is it fintech? It will be solved soon with these new regulations, I think this or next year. So I will go pass through these several payment methods with just a very brief overview. BLIK, origin country Poland. Who said? You said Poland, yeah. Then technical setup. It's a payment via application. What is interesting, they are using existing payment network MasterCard from 2021. This means that I stopped one kid in Serbia and he said, can I pay with the BLIK here? I said, no, in the store. And he then tried to find out another method. But actually, he was able to pay because it was already live, because in this application, you put your MasterCard as a background. So if this payment POS place accept MasterCard, you can pay outside the Poland. So I didn't know this, and I stopped the guy. Then I realized what I did. Yeah, very interesting. So what is the challenging solving? It's fast, simple, and secure payment via mobile phone, card not present transaction. This is very important, but it's in a physical place. Market position, I put here leader. Yeah, I think that in Poland, that BLIK, it's very popular. It's a local pride. Please. For certain type of transactions from 2022, yes. No, they are doing this. They are doing this in partnership with MasterCard. So it's, of course, it's not stealing. Yeah, it's a part of the deal. But this is the way how they expand regionally in the Europe. Expansion, as I said, yes. Innovation, yes. What is specific? I don't know how much you know, but there are some 6-digit code you need to enter during this POS payment. And the type of APM, I would say it's, I don't know, instant payment. Air cash from Croatia. I don't know, did you guess from which country is coming? So original country is Croatia. Technical setup application, but can be connected with multiple debit cards. What is the challenge that it's actually solving? It's flexibility, cash manipulation, and expense control. So actually in any gas station or the selling place in Croatia that AirCash has cooperation, you can deposit the money and then you turn it into your AirCash, and then you can spend it or send to somebody. And you can use the multi-currency, meaning if you want to, you can bring up to 5 the cards. And any cards you can buy on the kiosk on a small place. So it's very convenient. They are doing expansion in some European countries. Is it innovative? I would say yes. Also specific, and it's I called it as a hybrid digital wallet. Yeah. So they are still expanding and going to the market further. LeanPay. Somebody said Slovenia, but not for this method. So origin country Slovenia. It's payment processing software, I would say. What problem they are trying to solve: affordability and convenience, credit risk. It's only online payment method, and they call themselves, as you can see, type of APM. They call themselves buy now pay later version 3, meaning that they are solving the buy now pay later, but with a higher ticket, so up to 2,000-3,000 euro. Are they market position? They are penetrating. They are currently live in Slovenia and started operations in Serbia and Croatia and I think Romania. Expansion, yes. Innovation, yes. Are they specific to some content? Yeah, because we know Klarna and some biggest buy now pay later players. RockPay, this one is exotic, I would say. It's also new one. I don't know, does anybody of you heard about this, but it's origin country Bosnia and Herzegovina. Technical setup, it's online platform. It's like previous one, it's buy now, pay later. What is solving? It's affordability and convenience. So actually you can pay and with delayed 7 or 14 days. So they just recently launched in Serbia. They are live in Bosnia and Serbia and going to the Western Balkan markets. Market position start, expansion, yes. Innovation, I would say that they are, except the LeanPay I mentioned, it's one of the first buy now, pay later models in the Western Balkans. Because other players, they probably estimated that they will fail. But I met the owner of this project. He's living in Germany, and he said, we need to do this because if nobody else wants, we will do it. So interesting, yeah, at least from my side. Somebody mentioned KexPay from Croatia. Yeah. Yeah. Technical setup, it's also application expanded with the card. They are solving kind of payment convenience. They are already matured, I would say, on the market. Not planning expansion, if I understand it well. Is it innovation? Yes, but in country. Is it specific? Yes, for the market. And then what type of alternative payment method is? How I understand their business, they actually started as a P2P payment because there are in Spain, in some other countries, you have local payment methods where you actually pay the bill and then your friends are send you the particular amount of the money. So actually the KexPay started with this, and it's interesting, like Michaela this morning said, interesting combination of the bankers and fintech companies. So they started well. I think now that they are a bit matured and struggling, what are the next steps? But yeah, that's it. Small recap. So payment innovations in Central East Europe, how I see them, are delivered as a small and niche payment products, and they solve certain identified challenge, customer challenge in customer journey flow. Infrastructure, affordability, or support. Dominantly we are talking about alternative payment methods. Characteristics are different models, different market size, infrastructure, channels, vision of the founder, etc. You just need to know that for this purpose of analysis, I did not observe open banking or neobanks. Yeah. And now I'm jumping into